So which means they are against muscle power but in favor of gundaism. They said that they asking for a inquiry in their loss in judges. So what like our MLA from July, he said that these people, when they're losing election, it is unfair. But when they win, it's okay. But the only thing I'll tell them, that I saw they came out and said that it is they lost because of muscle power. You know, I still have the video of what happened after the election, in which the house of our supporter was attacked, were pelting with stone, and I didn't see that these people who love the hynrei, because these people whose house were pelted, destroyed by their mobs, they were also Jantia people. They were Khasi Jantia people. So I didn't see any condemnation from their leader who really loved the hynrei. Okay. So what about, they said muscle power? What is this? This is nothing but gundaism. So which means they are against muscle power but in favor of gundaism.